welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm doing a makeup tutorial. The infamous new palette that's like everywhere is the new Urban Decay palette. It's called Born to Run. It has these just gorgeous, stunning colors. I'm trying to come up with different looks that are more versatile and like not just like nudes and stuff, just because I feel like I have plenty of those. Of course, I will always do whatever you guys request. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to start out with just taking the color Breakaway, which is right here in the corner. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to use that as my base color all over the lid. Transition color, I'm going to start out with the color Buff, and I'm obviously just going to be placing that all over the crease. A little tip for whenever you guys are doing your transition or any kind of color in the crease is to kind of angle your brush upwards. It kind of allows you to have more control. Also, the further away your hand is from the barrel of the brush, the better your blending is going to be. Keep your fingers towards the end of the brush and then the brush upwards. It's just going to give you more control and everything's going to blend a lot more effortless and seamlessly. I feel like I'm always wearing this kind of look. I'll insert a clip here of a vlog. You guys always really like these looks and ask for tutorials, so I'm going to kind of try to imitate one of those looks just so you guys know exactly how I get them. The brush I was using is a Morphe M511, which is a big fluffy brush, but I'm going to take a smaller brush like this, and this is a Sigma E25, and I'm going to take the color Punk, and we're going to just focus this on the outer parts of the eye. The reason that I like doing these kinds of smoky eyes so much on myself is because they elongate the eyes and it gives you a lot of shape. And it just makes the eyes appear a lot bigger, and I really like the way that it looks. Now that I've built up that color, I'm just going to take the M511 and I'm going to be blending with the brush angled upwards once again. And as you can see, the darker color is blending towards the inner half of my eye, the outer part of my eye, so it's creating kind of like a cat eye effect. I'm going to go in and deepen up a little more, taking the color Good Is Gone right here. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that as well. That's how I get that smoky look. Now you can place whatever color you want on the eyelid or the inner half of the eye, which you guys are going to be proud because I never do color, to be honest. Like, I've been sticking to my neutrals for a while now. I'm going to take the color Big Sky right here and I'm going to place that all over the lid. Normally I would do a neutral, so if you guys want to get like the look you guys saw in the clip I showed you, you would just go for like Breakaway or like a gold or something. And this is what the color looks like without any like Fix Plus or anything. Take my Rose Fix Plus here and I'm going to go ahead and wet the brush and go over it one more time. A little trick that I like to use for my eyelid is, as far as like how far up to bring the color, I like to just tuck the brush in like so, my eye socket, and that just kind of gets it where I want it. And it makes it look even on both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and blend one more time. I kind of want to go ahead and add a little bit more dimension to this. So I'm going to take the color Radio right here and I'm going to place that on the center of the eyelid. I put Fix Plus on it and I literally just took the other side of that brush for that. And I'm just going to blend the outer edges. Before we continue, I just want to throw on some blue contacts. These are from Iris Beauty. I'm going to link them down below. These are the most gorgeous blue contacts I've ever seen in my life. They look really pretty, very natural, and I really like them. I don't wear them all the time, but whenever I want like a little change or like I just want to try something different, I like to just throw them on. M213, and I'm going to take the color Jet, which is the black color in the palette. And I'm just going to be placing that onto the lash line. Color Overdrive, which is this pencil here by Urban Decay, and I'm going to be putting that in the waterline. Take the color Riff right here, and I'm just going to be smoking out my bottom lash line. The color Good Is Gone, and I'm going to smoke out the outer part of my bottom lash line. My Tarte Man Eater mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lashes. I'm going to be applying some falsies. I have these falsies here, these lashes. And these are Miss Lashes. If you guys have never heard of Miss Lashes, these are thebomb.com and they're only $3. So I will link them down below if you guys are interested. Here's what they look like. I know they look kind of lame in the box, but let's see what they look like on here in a minute. So that's pretty much everything for the eye makeup. I'm gonna go in and do my face makeup, basically like contouring and all of that. You guys see that in like every single video. But if y'all want like an in-depth foundation routine or something, let me know. The foundation I'm gonna be using is literally just my Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been using it a lot lately because summertime and this weather, and like it works extremely well in hot weather, and it's also the only thing that matches me right now because I'm really tan. So I'm gonna put that on, do my contour, my highlight, all of that, and then I will be back. I'll probably show you guys like blush and highlight, but like contour and all of that, I just feel like it's necessary because I normally just use the same thing. So if you guys want to see like a contouring routine or foundation routine or whatever it is, just let me know down below and I can totally film that for you guys. Quickly, I use this Palladio matte blush. This is like a pinky peachy color. I thought it complemented the blues on the eyes really well. For highlights, I want something pretty subtle, so I'm just taking the Too Faced Candlelight Highlighter Fix Plus. This is the rose one. My favorite brush to apply highlighter is this Morphe M510. This little brush is a godsend for powder highlights. I just really love using it for that. You guys, Candlelight is the prettiest like subtle glow ever. My favorite highlighters lately. I just can't get enough of it. Sometimes I like to go back in and just blend the blush. Now I'm going to be applying inner corner highlight, and for that my favorite thing in the whole wide world is this NYX pigment. I talk about it all the time. I swear by this. This is NYX pigment in 20. I'm not sure the name. It doesn't really say. Oh, here it is. It's called Vegas Baby. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is to die for. My friend Amy recommended me this and I haven't stopped using it ever since. And I'm just going to spray it with some Fix Plus again just to adhere that better. We're going to place that in the inner corners. What I've been using lately, everybody was asking me what it is, and I use this Pop Beauty lip liner. Pop Beauty sends me a lot of their PR, and these lip liners are the bomb. This is How On Point is the color. It is actually, it's the name of the product, sorry. The color is called Vampy and it's a brown, and I'm so obsessed with this color of lip liner. Angular shape, sort of like the brow definer pencils by Anastasia, but for the lips, and it makes it really easy to shape the lips. And with this KKW, these are my favorite ever. This is in Kimberly, and I just put that on over. This is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I know it's not like anything crazy caprice or anything like that, but I just think that this would be really pretty for colored eyes, and I really wanted to do the blues this time and try something a little different. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button with this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video. I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.